Are you ready for this? What's up, everybody? I'm Andre, and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness, you guessed it, you can eat. So yeah, are you ready? Because I am super ready to show you guys this amazing sweet potato pancake recipe. Let's get started. Okay, so two things you want to do right off the bat. Number one is prepare your sweet potatoes. So I've got these really small ones. Of course, if you've got bigger ones, then good. But all I did to take up less time, I didn't steam them or put them into a colander and steam and all that. Didn't do that. All I did was take a damp paper towel, about two damp paper towels, wrap them around the sweet potato, stick it into the microwave for 5 to 6 minutes, and boom, mashed sweet potato. Well, not mashed until you actually mash it, but just scrape it out of the skin and mash it down, and there you go. That is all ready to go. The second thing you want to do is to melt your butter so it's got a little time to cool, okay? So two things done, let's continue. Next, you want to make sure your frying pan is heating up. So again, about medium heat, because you don't want your pancakes to cook on the outside, but not on the inside. So you want to make sure it's at a good temperature where it has the opportunity to do that. Okay, next we're going to move on to our dry ingredients. So we're going to start with our flour. We're going to sift everything in, almost everything. The baking powder, the baking soda, the cinnamon and the nutmeg, and finally the brown sugar. I say almost everything, but let's just sift it to whatever. All right, dry ingredients done. I'm just gonna take a whisk, mix that up a little bit more, but let's move on to our wet ingredients. In another bowl, we are going to add first the sweet potato. I love the smell. I love the smell of sweet potato. I don't know about you guys, but yes, sir. All right, let's add that all in there. Beautiful. Cool, next, we're gonna add in the butter. Just got it here, just cooling, chilling out on the stove. Put that right in there. Nice. Okay, to that, we're gonna add in our egg. That is done. And the vanilla extract. Got my handy dandy whisk. And before I add the milk, I'm gonna whisk this up. Get it all nice and smooth. Okay, that is all ready to go. Now I'm just gonna add in the milk. Nice and gradually. I'm gonna have this beautiful pale orange color. Okay, this is looking good. Let's combine everything. Cool, very simple. Let's move on. Dry to the wet and whisk until smooth. Don't want to mix it too much, and that is perfect. It is ready to go. I'm going to add it to the measuring cup that I used before, just to make it easier to pour into the frying pan. Beauty. All right, let's start baking these off. that is it. I'm excited. Let's give these a go. So light and fluffy. Chewy and spicy and oh, light. That's really good. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment downstairs. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. And by the way, if you click over here, that is a video that I think you should watch. It is a gift from me to you. You're welcome. However, if you click right over here, that is a video that YouTube suggests that you should watch among the plethora of videos that we have here on the channel. Okay guys, I'm gonna go finish this, so don't forget to love your food, love your life, and I'll see you in the next video.